Multiple white bars at the end of the runway. These are called the threshold markers and they identify the end of the runway. The number of bars painted also indicates how wide the runway is. So this is a little bit of information that I found online. I believe this was originally taken from FAA documentation. According to this, the runway in my example would be 100 feet wide. Next up, we have our aim point markers. These markings give pilots a visual guide to where they should be touching down and actually making contact with the ground. If you look at real airports, you should be able to see two pieces of ground equipment which fall in line with the aim point. Those are the VASI or PAPI lights and also the glide slope antenna, both of which give the pilot vertical guidance down to the runway. In the UK, the markings are represented with this 3-box pattern, but in other countries you may see the markings as large solid rectangles like this. And finally, you'll find touchdown zone markers. These represent a long area at the end of the runway where a pilot can touch down, because even the best pilots cannot hit the aim point markings every time. These markings also have different numbers of bars in them